Tokyo is a city that pulses with neon, tradition, and innovation all at once. But here's the thing, there's a silent rulebook here. And if you want to truly blend in and experience Tokyo the right way, there are some things you absolutely should not do. Trust me, knowing these could save you from some serious awkwardness or worse, the dreaded gaijin, foreigner, side eyes in Japan. So sit back, grab your popcorn, and don't forget to hit the like button if you've ever dreamed of visiting Japan. And hey, if you stick with me till the end, I'll drop a few secret Tokyo etiquette hacks only locals know. You don't want to miss that. Let's go! Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Georgina, your favorite tour guide on YouTube. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel if this is your first time here. Also share your Tokyo experiences in the comment section. It might help someone watching this. Today, I'm taking you on a unique tour through Tokyo, but not the usual travel guide. Nope, this one is called The Things That You Must Not Do in Tokyo. Number 1. Don't eat while walking. The first rule that catches most tourists off guard is don't eat while walking. Yep, that delicious takoyaki you just bought? Find a corner or sit down to enjoy it. In Tokyo, eating while on the move is considered messy and inconsiderate. Walking on a busy Tokyo street, then seeing tourists eating while locals glance uncomfortably. Japanese culture values mindfulness and respect for space. So slurping noodles loudly in a train station or munching chips on the sidewalk? That's a no-no. Number 2, no tipping. Don't generosity, don't touch. Mind your hands. Here's a fun twist. Tipping is not a thing in Tokyo. Leave a tip and your waiter might chase after you thinking you forgot your change. Awkward, right? In Japan, great service is expected. It's part of their work culture and pride. No need for extra cash to say thank you. A simple bow and smile will do. Have you ever been to a place where tipping was awkward? Drop your story in the comments below. I read all of them. Number 3, silence is golden, especially on trains. Imagine this. You're on a train in Tokyo, and it's so quiet, you can hear someone blink. That's not an exaggeration. One of the biggest no-nos in Tokyo is talking loudly or taking calls on public transportation. Tokyo trains are like libraries on rails. Everyone is calm, immersed in their phones or books, or simply enjoying the peace. So if you're on the phone laughing with your cousin back home, then you're the problem. Fun facts. Did you know Tokyo trains carry over 8 million people a day? Number 4, respect the queue, it's sacred. The Japanese queuing etiquette is so legendary that even during natural disasters, people line up calmly. It's not just respect, it's cultural discipline. So next time you see a line, even if you're not sure what it's for, just get in line. Who knows? It might be the best sushi of your life. Number 5, don't point, don't touch. Mind your hands. Gestures matter. In Tokyo, pointing at people or objects is considered rude. And touching strangers, even playfully, is a big no. Personal space is a serious deal here. You want to point? Use your whole hand gently, like a polite wizard casting a direction spell. Want to see more etiquette breakdowns? Like the video and comment, I love Tokyo, below. Number 6, don't wear shoes indoors or you'll regret it. This one might be familiar, but let me stress it. Do not wear shoes indoors, homes, some restaurants, temples, and other sensitive places. Walking in with shoes on is like walking into someone's heart with muddy boots. Respect the space. And yes, always wear clean socks. Fun tip, carry nice whole free socks in your day bag. You will thank me later. 7, don't skip the bow. It's the heartbeat of respect. Bow like you mean it. In Tokyo, bowing isn't just a formality. It's a beautiful way of showing gratitude, apology, and humility. Even a small nod goes a long way. Japanese people think of it like a dance of mutual respect. Remember, it's not a competition. All right, you've stayed with me till now, and you deserve a golden hug. Here it is. Next time you receive a service in Tokyo, say, "Arigatou gozaimasu," with a small bow and a genuine smile. You'll make someone's day. And remember, it's not just about what you do in Tokyo, but also about what you avoid doing. If you learned something today, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and tells me to keep bringing you global travel experiences and guides. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We've got cities and cultures to explore. Subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments.